A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your value class. Dear children, today I have uploaded the answer key for chapter number 4 and 5. Today we are going to move your chapter number 6, that is Lazy Donkey. Yes. So are you all ready? Yes, to know about this story? Okay, dear children. So all of you go fast, open your textbook, dear kids, and open your chapter number 6, that is Lazy Donkey. Now, dear kids, what value we are learning from this chapter? We will learn the value of honesty, dear kids. Yes, we learn the value of honesty. Okay. Now, first of all, you will start with this get going. Okay, you all have to answer me. Have you ever lied to your teacher for not completing your assignment? Have you ever lied to me for not completing your assignment? Yes or no? Then, how do you feel when you are dishonest? Then, have you ever cheated your friends? In your life, have you ever cheated your friends? Then, have you ever hurted your parents by being dishonest? That means when we are telling lies to our parents. Yes, your parents are hurt. So, have you ever hurted your parents? Now, what are the learning objectives, dear children? It is important to be honest and truthful. Dishonesty and untruthfulness can take various forms. There are always consequences to dishonesty and untruthfulness. Okay? Now let us move to our story, to our chapter. Ramu owns a donkey called Krishna. Now here, Ramu is a person. He is Ramu and he has a donkey named Krishna. Okay. Ramu is very tolerant and kind master. He is very kind master. The donkey is lazy and is always finding ways to avoid work. Donkey है वो बहुत lazy है. Okay. Once while returning with loads of salt on his back, Krishna falls in the river. Now see, donkey is carrying the loads of salt on his back. Then one fine day, donkey just fell down in the river. He realizes that the fall has lessened the weights of the sacks as the salt has dissolved in the water. जैसे ही वो वाटर में गिर गया, जो सॉल्ट होती है वो डिज़ोल्व हो गई और जो उसका बैक पे वेट था इट गॉट रिड्यूस्ड एज वेल. ओके, सो वो डोंकी ने रियलाइज कर लिया एक दिन गिर के. देन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज कृष्णा पर्पसली फॉल्स डाउन इनटू द वाटर एवरी डे. नाउ ही डिड पर्पसली एवरी डे. वो रोज गिरता गया रिवर में. Ramu is unhappy at the way Krishna is behaving because he is losing lots of salt. Yes, he is losing. Let us see, he is losing lots of money in the process, dear children. वो ऐसे रोज करते करते क्या हो रहा है, रामू का बहुत सारा पैसा लॉस वेस्ट हो रहा है ना. He is wasting the money of Ramu. Then he decides to teach Krishna a lesson. Then what Ramu thought कि मैं आज कृष्णा को एक lesson सिखाऊंगा. Okay. The next day, instead of salt bags, he loads Krishna with bags of cotton. Oh, उसमें actually bags में salt नहीं था. In that there was cotton. Krishna is unaware of the change. अब कृष्णा को तो पता ही नहीं है कि उसमें कॉटन है या सॉल्ट है. He decided that he has to fall down in the river. उसका तो एक ही पर्पस है, रिवर में गिर जाओ और अपना वेट कम कर दो, है ना. बट देन Ramu thought of teaching a lesson. Okay. As planned, he falls into the water and get the bags wet. Again वो गिर जाता है और bags wet हो जाते हैं. He is surprised to find the load unbearable. अभी जो उसका लोड था वो अनबेरेबल था, बिकॉज जैसे ही वाटर में गई कॉटन वो और भी ज़्यादा उसको भारी लगने लगा उसका वेट. यस, कृष्णा लर्न्स हिज लेसन एंड स्टार्ट्स बिहेविंग. Yes, on that day Krishna learned a lesson and he started behaving well. Understood, dear kids? Are you all clear with this story? Yes. Now, dear kids, this answer time we will do in our next video lesson. Let us do the assessment time. You have to put a tick mark, okay, in the box if the statement is true and put a cross if the statement is false. First one, I am always honest and never lie to anybody. Yes, you are always honest, है ना? आप हमेशा honest होते हो and you never lie to anybody. So this is true. Then, I cheat my friends while playing a game. Do you cheat your friends while playing a game? Yes or no? No? Very nice. So you will put a cross mark. I lied to my parents if I had done something wrong. You lie to your parents if you have done any mistake, or you tell the truth. क्या करते हो आप? You tell the truth, no? You don't lie to your parents. Yes, dear kids? So again, this statement is false. Then, I always motivate my friends to speak the truth. Yes, you should always motivate your friends. Next is my commitment. What you learn from this lesson and what commitment you will make to yourself. That you have to write here in your textbook. Now, dear children, this is the answer time for chapter number 5. The answers I have uploaded today. Let us see the assessment time which is there in your textbook. Put a tick mark in the box if the statement is true and put a cross if the statement is false. I work hard and do my work consistently. Yes, we all work hard, dear children. So this statement is true. I ask for help when I am not able to do something on my own. Yes, we ask for help as well when we are not able to do something on our own. So this statement is again true. When I have to do a tough sum, I say to myself, yes, I can do it. Yes, when we have a difficult job, we say to ourselves, yes, you can do it. Then, I love to learn new things. According to me, learning new things is always interesting. Yes, this thing is also true. Then, I like those friends who encourage me to face challenges with all the courage. Yes, you should always have these kind of friends, dear children. So, this statement is again true. I never leave any of my tasks incomplete. You all complete your task? Yes. Very good, dear children. So, this statement is also true. Then is your my commitment. Again, what you learned from your 5th chapter, dear kids. Okay, you have to write the commitments which you are making to yourself. Okay, dear kids. So for today, this was it. Now we will meet next time with something more interesting. Till then, bye-bye all. God bless you. Take care.